What is going on? So we've got a gorgeous black Bentley to do in full PPF. Now this car is a really hard car to PPF because it's flat black. So any sort of scratches or imperfections in the paint or the film you'll see very easily. So we'll make sure we do a really good job, a lot of pre-installation checkovers and polishing, that sort of thing. But it's an absolutely gorgeous car, so stay tuned for the installation and the results on that one.
Chill and keep my hand around $100 bill. I don't wanna ill, I just wanna chill and keep my hand around $100 bill. I don't wanna ill, I just wanna chill and keep my hand around $100 bill. I don't wanna ill.